Tremendous.
Good morning, everyone. This is ChelseaChameleon. Hopefully you guys can hear me. There is construction going on. I kind of went to this quiet place in my building just so I can talk to you all, but it's probably really loud because it's outside and there's construction all the time on my campus. So today I'm going to be taking you all with me through campus, kind of like a follow me around vlog. Yeah, I just got out of class and today I'm going to be studying a little bit, also maybe doing some housework, and then me and my friend George are going to Ijams Park and we're going on a little hike and we're gonna have a lot of fun and probably get ice cream after. So yeah, all right, I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye bye.
Running ice cream walk out.
Thank you. Hi guys, so I'm in the library. I don't know if you guys were able to hear my intro from earlier, but yeah, I'm just in the library. I'm going to be studying for a little bit and just doing some work because I have like this survey experiment to do on campus at 10, so I'm just going to waste this 1 hour. It is currently 9:07, so I just have a little bit less than an hour to waste, and I will see you guys in a bit.
넌 나고 난 너야 난 너고 넌 나야 마음이 같다면 둘은 서로가 될 거야 넌 나고 난 너야 그게 너무 좋아 오그라든다는 말은 누가 만든 걸까 Girl 뺨 한 대만 때려줘 며칠 사이 그게 무슨 일이 벌어진 건지 전혀 침번호 지우고 힙합만 듣던 난 어쿠스틱해졌어 Tell me what you want from me 가장 예쁠 나이 실컷 사랑해봐야 돼 네 사연 속에
Hey guys, so right now I'm in the bathroom filming because I just didn't want to talk outside in the hallway, but I just got done with my econ lab experiment. I got paid pretty well. I encourage all students, no matter what campus or wherever you are, if your school has econ experiments or research experiments or surveys or whatever, if you do have them, do them because they can pay pretty well. Just kind of know about the details and stuff. You can check online. Usually they give you a price range of how much you're expected to get paid. And if you are familiar with economics or research or whatever field that they're doing their study in, you can possibly earn more because a lot of these experiments is based on your thinking skills or your knowledge. So yeah, I encourage everyone to do them because they're a great way to make money really quickly in about an hour and a half, and I made a pretty decent amount of money. So yeah, I'm probably going to head back home now because I have a couple hours to kill before we go to the nature center. I'm probably just gonna do a couple of nature or walking shots just for the aesthetics. I'm trying to up my vlog game. So yeah, I'm about to wash my hands because I have not washed my hands. So gross. And then I will see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so I am back in Clement Hall now, back in my dorm room. I honestly don't know what to do. I should really clean because my room is a hot mess, and I mean a mess. So yeah, but I also want to put on makeup because I did not wear any makeup to class today. But yeah, I have a lot of breakouts, so I'm probably just going to end up filming a video really quickly in this really bad light. Let's see. Does that make it better? Okay, so I think I'm just gonna film the blemish extractor tool and just see how that looks and maybe just put on some makeup. Yeah, maybe I'll film it right here in the sunlight and just hold the camera up and just test the blemish extractor out. I wish I had my tripod, but I turned it in at the library, so I don't have it anymore. But yeah, sorry I'm talking so much. I wanted to do more talking based vlogs. I know my past vlogs I really just did like view shots or whatever and just put music to it. So I do like talking to you guys and you know, get to see the real me without any makeup, with my hair looking a hot mess and just me in my natural element. So yeah, I'll probably just film that video really quickly and then clean up, maybe do some laundry, and then George is gonna pick me up, I think, and then we're gonna head to the park. So yeah, this part of the vlog may not be as exciting. Hopefully when we get to the nature center, it will be. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye. Hey guys, I just want to hop on here real quick again, just to let y'all know my thoughts about EXO's comeback. I watched the video before I went to my econ experiment, and Lord Jesus. If y'all don't know, Kai is my third bias in EXO, and Sehun is my first bias. It used to be Luhan before he left, but now it's Sehun, and I love them so much. I love Sehun so much. Like, I feel like if I were reincarnated into a male Korean, it would be Sehun. I just honestly feel that. I just think our personalities match up so well. But, you know, he was rude. Like, they were so rude with the teasers. But this video was just a different level of rude. Like, I thought I wasn't okay with Call Me Baby. I, you know, fared pretty well with like Lotto and Monster and Lucky One and stuff. For, you know, that comeback was okay. It was lit, you know, but it didn't hit me. All of them look so freaking good in the video. SM, if you are watching this, do not put Kai in a muscle tank. Do not put Kai in a ripped shirt or whatever the heck that was. The heck did I watch? He just had a chest full of chocolate, beautiful abs. What was that, SM? That just came out of nowhere. Like, you have to give us a warning. It could be in Korean, French, or English. I kind of speak all three. Any of those languages, even Spanish, you know, any language. I just need a warning next time, SM. Do not do anything like that with Shiny, because you know that I will actually die. Like, you will see me on this floor, PTFO, dead. No, first is Red Velvet come back and then just bam, EXO. Like, can y'all slow down? You know, just give me a time to recover. So yeah, I love the video. I just like all their different hairstyles and aesthetics. Baekhyun looks so good. Suho looked really freaking good. Xiumin and Chin, of course. I love Chin's voice. Chin is probably my fourth bias in EXO because I just love his voice. Dio looks good too. They all just look so good. I just wish that Lay was there. I didn't see Lay in the video. Maybe I missed him. I thought I saw his teaser for the music video, but I didn't see him in the video. So I don't know what's going on with that. Any XOLs or XO fans, maybe y'all can comment down below and let me know what is up with that. I do like EXO. They're not my favorite group, but I do have some biases in that group, and you know, those biases are just really rude for this comeback, but it's okay. I'll survive, hopefully. Hey guys, so I am going to get some lunch, and I just decided that I'm going to edit some videos in the library or in the student union while I eat. So yeah, alrighty, I will see you guys in a bit. Hi guys, so I am in the library right now. I just have this really big study room all to myself, and I am actually just about to edit one of my videos and then just eat on some Chick-fil-A. I just got a sandwich, some fries, and then my drink is all the way over there. But yeah, I'm not really going to vlog much of me eating because there's really nothing to see. But yeah, I will see you guys in a little bit. It is currently 1:56, so I have about 2 hours to edit maybe something, and then Nyla is going to pick us up and we're going to head to the park. Hey guys, so I'm currently waiting for my videos to export, but when I edit vlogs or just edit videos in general, I watch Joan. Let me quiet her down. I watch Joan. Her name is Joan A Day on YouTube, and she also has a main channel too, but I love her vlogs. I just love her camera angles, and I get so much inspiration from her vlogs and her videos on her main channel as well. So yeah, I'm just waiting for these videos to import, and yeah, that's what I usually do while I wait. I watch vlogs or watch other YouTubers so I can get some inspiration before I start editing my videos. Now, I'm no professional at all, but I just still like to get inspiration, and I am trying to, you know, experiment with my editing styles and even with my filming styles. So that's just a little piece of advice or how I edit my video. I don't know if you guys are really interested in that, but that's just some inspiration. So yeah. Guess who it is? Oh my God, you're not in focus. It's George. I got that on camera too.
It's okay. I came out of it.
As you break your food. Hi guys, this is George. This is one of my really good friends, George. The vlog after this is going to be interesting. Like, I know how I said before, like today was going to be boring. He's going to make it interesting.
I need to take a breath.
Forever.
Hey, Nala. Hey.
Suavecito.
Hey.
Come in.
I want to be a backseat hoe.
What floor are you go to? Let's go. On George.
파란색 파란색 바다 위에 햇살은 따뜻해 파란색 파란색 끝이 없는 수평선은 내 맘 같아 네 손에 올려주고 싶어 파란 하늘 잡힐 듯 잡히지 않으니까 평생 간직하고 싶은데 너와 나의 저의 진력처럼 행복의 순간은 넘잡아 비록 나의 파도가 거칠게 치더라도 가끔 널 힘들게 하더라도 옆에서 매일 불어줄 거야 따뜻한 바람이 됐어 난 굳이 말도 필요 없어 아무도 닿지 못해 너와 나만 아는 곳 보고 싶어 너와 단둘이 걷고 싶어 새파랗게 물들고 싶어 순간을 기억해 언제나 곁에 있을게 No matter what I always be with you Falling in love again Summer love, summer love Summer love, summer love Summer love
Hi guys, so we are at the sunflower patch. There aren't any sunflowers right now, but hopefully we can try to find some. Say hi, George.
Hello, darlings.
He's British now, by the way.
I'm actually the queen of Scotland, not just England, of Scotland.
Okay.
I was about to say nothing. No, I was trying to say oh.
So I've never been this close to like high grass before. It's kind of scary. What's going on?
What is it?
Abort! Is it gone?
Okay, we're coming.
Is it gone?
No.
Why would we keep walking?
I mean, if it's there and I didn't know it was there and whatnot,
And then
that's
you stayed there,
different.
and then it came on me.
So we just got done taking some photos. Oh God! Jesus! It tried to grab me, y'all.
Did you see that shit? It was like,
Yeah. You lost your glasses. But yeah, we just got done taking photos. Sunflowers are evil. I have determined this from this vlog.
sus.
Yeah, we're about to take some more photos. You know, gotta get that Instagram ready. Hi, Danny.
Hey.
So we found corn, you guys. Look, Nyla actually found corn. We're gonna try to open up the corn.
I'm trying to husk the corn.
Husk the corn.
Think it's ready?
Jimmy crack corn and I don't care.
Did you bring your butter
I didn't.
in the car?
Did not bring my butter.
Oh, we're almost there.
We're almost there, you guys.
Now, is there a faster way to husk this?
Oh, I see it. Oh crap. It's corn.
I will take a bite of that.
That's like teenage corn.
Teenage corn. You want some, George? I'm at the sunflower field.
Is it good?
It tastes kind of good. It's sweet.
Oh, it really? Okay.
It's raw, but
I've never had like raw corn before.
No, I'm with Nyla and George and Chelsea.
It's pretty good.
She's in her room.
It's very sweet.
yeah, it just tastes weird because it's raw, but
Yeah, it tastes weird because it's raw,
I
but
eat this though. Like if I was starving.
yeah,
Oh,
I
yeah.
mean, man versus wild, I would definitely.
now I have corn in my tooth.
Whenever my mom like buys it, she
guys, so we are heading to Ijams Nature Center now. We just are about
It's
to leave.
Ijams.
I thought it was Ijams.
I like saying Ijams.
Anyway, we're heading to the nature center. We're leaving the sunflower patch or place. And yeah, I am super sweaty, but we are on our way. Hi, George.
Why did I bring my water? Is your door locked?
Can you play Rocky Top? My camera's dying, which is fun, so I'm not gonna film a lot, but yeah, here's the lake.
To the left, to the left.
Y'all, this is so pretty.
To the left, to the left. Everything you want.
Y'all, this is so pretty. We are at the Quarry Cave stream. I had to look at the sign. It is so pretty, you guys.
거긴 날씨가 어때 나의 하늘과 밤에 자꾸 떠오르는 기억이 계속 내게 말을 건네네 우리는 함께일 때 참 많이도 웃었네 지금 나는 무표정을 해 너가 없이 무슨 말을